Stefan of Steve Stories, and well, my morning in Puerto La Cruz, Tenerife. I'm gonna make a loop today, go down south on the east coast, down to St. Christopher's or Cristianos, for to see the south and come back up north on the west side. So I think that's the game plan. But yeah. Oh yeah. I need some mommy.
This mural is inspired by the seabed of Radazul, a town on the coast of Tenerife, Canary Islands. It is characterized by striking colors and a texture that allows us to enter the Atlantic Ocean. The most common fish in that area appear, as well as the rocky bottom.
Okay, this is where I am. Puppies. Uno, dos, tres. Hotel de Tenerife. Set the band burn here in Tenerife, at the Abandoned Tenerife Hotel Tour, and about to go into the ruins. Oi, Chihuahua. Wanted to, I could have gone over here, go onto the,
Abandoned Hotel Tenerife Tour. A hotel that has been abandoned for a couple of years. There's a lot of graffiti and quite a few pieces by Ione Dominguez. The area is closed, but it's very easy to just step in from Ave. Marítima is close to the beach. If you're into urbex, it's a nice place. Before going in, you should be aware that it is an abandoned and closed place. The Tenerife Tour Hotel was abandoned to its fate in 2011 after its owners, the Rueda Varela family, closed it due to its obvious deterioration and the low profitability. The site was once one of the icons of tourist Las Caletillas after opening in 1966. This hotel offered a ground-level main building and a number of bungalows with 96 double rooms, which are spread over a terraced, spacious garden area.
Chihuahua. Right. Right. Further to the what? Good way. This is cool. Festival Neboni of Stefan Stories. I've finished the tour of the abandoned Tenerife Hotel, and well, I am going to head out. Here. Oh Lord, it's skeevy. Naranjas. Okay. Right. All right.
Walking along the pedestrian street in Candelaria on my way to the main square, I couldn't help but stop and admire a beautiful mural of the Virgin of Candelaria. Since she's considered the saint of fishermen, the mural features little fish beside her, a detail I found really charming. The pastel colors blend perfectly with the street's vibe, making it impossible to pass by without taking a closer look. In addition, it is quite rare to see such a church-themed painting, especially in such an urban style as the drawings on the wall, which only adds to its unique charm and beauty.